Okay, a garden club is building a rectangular garden made from 60 feet of fencing. So we know we only have 60 feet. So the perimeter has to be 60. So basically, if I'm thinking about the rectangle, the width plus the width plus the length has to be equal to 60. Okay, so let's think of some ways we can get 60. So if I have a width of 10, that means that I have 10 plus 10, which is 20. I need 40 more to make 60, so my length has to be 20. Okay, because 20 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10 equals 60. So that's 200 square feet. All right, let's try another one. So let's say that our width would be 5. Okay, I've got 10. So 60 minus 10 is 50, and I take half of that, that's 25 and 25. So 25, 5 gives you 5, 125 when you multiply it. Okay, let's see if we can get it to work so that it's the same on both sides. So if I do 60 and I divide it by 4, I get 15 on all sides. So 15 by 15, that's 225. Okay, so there's some different things going on here. You had to make sure that the 2 times this length plus 2 times the width equals 60. And then the area is when you multiply length times width. So this function models the area of the garden where x is the garden's length. According to the model, what is the largest possible area for the garden? Okay, it's going to have to be 225. Now you could have sketched that out to figure that out. Okay, you always can use your knowledge of factor form. So if I'm sketching this out, actually let me do it this way. So here's my sketch. So one of my zeros is at 0 because x equals 0 makes this one 0. Okay, 1's at 30. Okay, so halfway between is 15. So we're going to take our model, do f of 15 equals 15 times 30 minus x, which is we also know is 15. 15 times 15 gives me 625. No, sorry, 225. Gosh. 225. So 225 is going to be your highest value because that's going to be your maximum. Okay, and your parabola will look something like this. Okay, so there's 2 ways there you could figure it out. You either found the one that would be the same on both sides, that would maximize your area, or you could have drawn out a parabola. Either one would have been correct.